So, some places way overcharge for cabin air filters, but you need to know if you have one or not, and this is why. Cabin air filter goes there. This came out of there. So you hold this up to the light, and other than the holes where the mouse chewed through it, you can't see anything. It's disgusting. Ugh. You want to breathe that? You put that right in front of your face, and yeah, that would be disgusting, wouldn't it? Well, that's what you're doing when you got this cabin air filter in your vehicle and it's that dirty. Find out if you have one. Look on YouTube. See how to change it. If you can't change it yourself, yeah, then you might want to pay somebody to do it. But most of the time you can do them yourself and probably do it for 20, 30 bucks versus what some of these places get. This guy here was quoted like, I think it was like 120 bucks to put this filter in. Come on, it takes like 5 minutes and the filter's 20 bucks. You don't need to spend that. But in other cases, they really suck and you want to pay somebody to do it no matter what the cost because they're horrible to get out. But 90% of them are like this one. Cowl panel comes off, 2 wipers come off, a few screws, pop the cowl panel off. Boom, there it is. Take it out, put the new one in, reverse order. And while you got it apart, how about some new wiper blades? Why would you put old wiper blades back on it if you're taking them off anyway? So that's our tip for the day. Yucky cabin air filters. Disgusting. Look at that.